Rating my slimes. First, both of them that Claire fixed for me. First up is this one. It's very soft. There's trash can right there. And the ASMR out of the roof, the stretch. There's different like things like Orbeez. And I'm gonna have to give this one, it even smells good. It brings me back to the smell of the YMCA that we used to go to at my old place. I'm gonna have to give this a 10 out of 10. Big old 10 out of 10. And it was mixed. She did mix it with a water sugar slime, but it's so much better now. This one was putty, and she did give me some stress ball, but it popped and it had kinetic sand in it. So I mixed the putty, and I asked her to fix it. She added the same slime. Slime's perfect. Smells like the showers in the YMCA. It just smells like YMCA. It's really stiff. It feels good. This one's kind of hard. It's not really, it feels good whenever you stretch it. I'm gonna have to give this one 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. She also gave me this puppet. The sounds on this thing, dang. I'm gonna have to give this a 1,000 out of 10. And then a top tube that my sister gave me. Nice. I'm gonna have to give that one. I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna give this one 9 out of 10. Then balloons. Durability on those things is incredible. And here's some of my water balloons. Here's one of my orange ones that just have something in it. Probably gonna give that one a probably 5 out of 10. This one, dang. I'm gonna have to give this one a 11 out of 10. This one is really satisfying. 1,000 out of 10 because I like to watch all the bees go. These are all homemade, by the way, except for the balloons. And then I have another one somewhere. Oh, there it is. Ow! I hurt myself. First off, 1,000 out of 10. It's just like, for my ADHD, all of these are like really good. This one, bro. Wait, let me put down the light. Squish it around a bit. To be with it. Ah! Yes, very nice, very nice. I'm gonna give that one a bajillion out of 10. Should know, a Google out of 10. I did make this, and this infinity out of 10. I can store my Pikachu fell off. I can store my, if I can open it, store my enemy's organs, in there, and I call this project Alone. I still have to fix this. I haven't gotten around to. Yeah. This is gonna be hard to fix.